Imagine you are a brilliant young builder. You have a farm, and right next to it flows a wonderful, splashing river. Your thirsty plants need a drink. If your farm is on flat ground, you just dig a little ditch in the dirt. The water goes whoosh and flows right into your garden. Easy peasy. But what if your farm is up high on a hill? The water cannot climb up by itself. Uh-oh, what do we do? If you try to carry water up in tiny buckets, your arms get tired. Huff, puff, it takes forever. So, you put on your thinking cap. You build a little wooden slide and pull a bucket up with a rope. That is much better. But wait, pulling just one tiny bucket at a time is still too slow. Your plants are waiting. What if we tie lots of buckets to the same rope, like a super long bucket train? Now you pull up a whole train of water at once. Yay! But here is the tricky part. Water is heavy. Even if you are super strong, pulling a heavy bucket train all day makes your arms and your back ache. You need a clever trick. You remember how wheels make things easier. You put a wheel at the top of the hill and one at the bottom, but the heavy wooden buckets get bumped and stuck. Oops! So, you swap them for light, hollow bamboo tubes. They look like giant drinking straws. Now, when you turn the top wheel, the rope spins like a magic loop. The bamboo tubes go down, scoop up the water, and ride up to the top. Drip, drop. The water pours into your farm. Wow, you just built a water elevator. But turning that big wheel all day still makes your hands very tired. There has to be an even better way. You look closely at the river. The water is moving fast. Splash, swish. It is bumping into rocks and rushing along. It has so much energy. You get a brilliant superhero idea. What if the river does the hard work for you? You take some strong wood and build a giant, beautiful wheel. You stand it up right in the flowing river. Then, you tie your bamboo tubes all around the outside edge. It looks just like the buckets on a giant Ferris wheel. You let go. The rushing river pushes the giant wheel. It starts to turn. Round and round it goes all by itself. As the big wheel spins, the bamboo tubes dip into the river, grab a drink of water, and ride up high. At the very top, they tip over and pour the water straight into your high-up farm. Swish, splash, pour. Your happy plants soak it all up and grow big and strong. Day and night, the river keeps spinning the wheel. You do not have to push or pull at all. You just built an amazing ancient water machine all by yourself. You are a true master builder. Keep inventing, keep building, and keep making the world a super cool place.